Hello guys, this is developer Nilanjan. Here is my remote control home appliances project. You can control up to 3 home appliances using remote. This is the remote. See, this is the remote. Also for order I give this remote, new remote. See, I am showing you demonstration. First I press 1, press 1. See, tube is on. Same, I press 2 button for this LED bulb. Okay. Check, LED bulb is on, and also it has good range. I am showing you from near because for focusing the mobile camera. Okay. And page 3 I configured for fan. See, fan is on. I'm showing you again. Switch off the fan from the far away. See, fan is off. It is goes slow down. Now I switch off the LED bulb by pressing 2 again. See, light is off. And if I press 2 again, light is on. So now press it. See, light is on, and again I press for light off. And now I switch up this tube using press key 1. See, light is off. Thank you for demonstration of infrared based home automation using remote.